こんにちは。
今日はですね On the Wings of Elmas やめてくれこんにちは。
こんにちは。
今日はですね On the Wings of Elmas というエルメスのアートエキシビジョンのイベントに来ています。このイベントはですねロサンゼルスで10日間限定でやっているイベントで、かなり入場制限もしているということもあって、今回行くことができてとてもラッキーです。でちなみにですねこのイベントの会場は私たちが住んでいるところからとても近くて、それもラッキーでした。
We could have rode bicycles here.
That's true そういうことで、本日はですね、皆様にエルメスの世界観をお届けできたらいいかなと思ってカメラを回そうと思います。それでは行ってみましょう。
行ってきます。
今回のエルメスの翼のエキシビジョンはライブパフォーマンス型アートでダンス、音楽、シネマ的な要素をブレンドした7部構成の演劇でエルメスの世界へ誘います。
Thank you so much.
Enjoy the show, guys.
Thanks a lot.
Scene number one. Welcome everyone. You're going to the left. Reverse gravity. Scene number one.
Is the clearness of the night. It is the lightness of a fall upwards when, for one moment, the sky becomes the ground. A simple road behind a simple mountain, where at a certain time of a certain day of a certain month of each year, gravity reversed itself. Nobody knows why. That's how it is. Everything must be fastened by strong chains, cars and wheelbarrows, cows, calves, dogs. Sociable, and his greatest fear is being alone. Large gloves and small gloves, young gloves and adult gloves, male and female gloves will travel thousands of kilometers on a dangerous journey, achieving lightness by flapping their fingers when aloft they will pass all clouds. The third likeness was not visible to the naked eye. The third foal preferred to fall asleep. The fourth foal waited for the wind to rise. What is big and what is small? Is this near or indeed far? And that which is absolutely false, but which is real, all the same. The fragility of perception. The fifth likeness was hiding in the rasp of a voice. It discovered the opera. It was a famous opera. A libretto for great voices, sopranos and baritones, altos with voices as light as milk froth, basses with voices as heavy as a pouring of cement. They became angry presto. They recommenced the aria with a coda that starts allegro, a little trip on the B, a larger one on the F sharp, as they moved into a crescendo. The sixth likeness came from the other side. The wind had got up and everything had flown away. And ja, laat ze zien. So, don't we remember the steps, ja, wanneer we hier willen kijken, het was 5 jaar, dat is een nazarbe. Ja, ze besluit voor ze droog. Van de stoffen. Snow caps beleid de 15 jaar door de ouders naar hoven. Er nog zo zijn jal salvet naar vessen. Veel is wel. Scherts die zetel. Hier is best dus er bij mij hartstikke. Server little varts if it's more with the name that you whalers no sour for seal van verstoffen. Snow kan ik. Nes van hier er nog zo zijn jal salvet naar vessen. Where do we find the past? Where does the future reside? The present is only a light, intangible, immaterial, non-existent idea floating in equilibrium in a white space between the memory of what was and the dream of what will be. And all is still there, and all is already there. In a universe that at the same time exists and does not exist. Of what we were no longer expecting, but which happens anyway. The likeness of what we thought had disappeared, but which we find again, of what we thought had left, but which had not.
That was awesome. Oh my god. Emotional. Beautiful.
すごい良かった。
I'm glad we got to see that. 今エルメスのイベントが終わりました。もうね7つぐらい作品があったんですけども、どれも本当に素晴らしかったです。でもまあ特にですねケリーのオペラシンガーズもうめちゃくちゃ可愛かったですね。あとはまあサンドアートも素晴らしかったと思います。What was the most memorable one? It was so cool to see them all working together along with the cameraman.
We became way more fun. また一層エルメスのファンになりました。
Super fun.